In today's rapidly evolving industrial landscape, the integration of the Internet of Things, or IoT, has revolutionized how we approach productivity tracking in sewing and manufacturing. Modern technologies that offer real-time data and insights have rendered traditional methods of output monitoring obsolete. This shift is not just about increasing numbers, it's about enhancing the entire workflow process, fostering efficiency, and ultimately driving profitability. Imagine a factory floor where each sewing machine is equipped with sensors that track its performance metrics, speed, downtime, and even the quality of stitches. This data streams seamlessly into a centralized system, allowing managers to visualize productivity trends at a glance. Instead of relying on manual logs or periodic audits, decision-makers can now access live data, enabling them to identify bottlenecks immediately and make informed adjustments on the fly. On top of this, IoT-enabled productivity tracking fosters a culture of accountability among workers. When employees can see their contributions in real time, it encourages a sense of ownership over their tasks. They become more engaged as they understand how their individual output impacts the broader goals of the organization. This transparency cultivates a collaborative environment where teams can work together to optimize processes and enhance overall productivity. Furthermore, the predictive analytics that accompany these tracking systems allow manufacturers to anticipate maintenance needs before they lead to costly downtimes. By analyzing patterns, companies can schedule repairs during off-peak hours, ensuring that production remains uninterrupted. In essence, productivity tracking made possible by IoT is more than just a tool. It is a strategic advantage. It equips manufacturers with the insights needed to refine operations, adapt to market demands, and maintain a competitive edge in an increasingly complex industry. The future of sewing and manufacturing lies in our ability to harness these technologies effectively, and the results will undoubtedly speak for themselves. To learn more about how ANTT Robotics can help you improve your productivity tracking, email us at support@antitrobotics.com.